Hi, I'm Dr. Miller here. Today is October 2nd, so happy fall and happy October. I'm gonna review today the James Charles collaboration with Morphe eyeshadow palette. I know I'm late with those things because everybody did this many months ago, but as a writer, I have a very busy life and also business owner. I have to get running my business, so these are the palette, those, you know, the colors, of course, but now I'm gonna be doing on my own eyeshadow. So I'm gonna be doing the application, and this is my desk here, and that is my cosmetic collection, as you know. So I will be moving to the other desk and doing my makeup and my eyes, so you will see how beautiful Jane Charles palette is. Also, of course, I'm gonna be ending using my new highlighter glow kit to highlight the contour of my beautiful face. Here it is. If you need it, please inbox me and get this palette. It's coming the end of the year and you need it to highlight your beautiful face for all the ending of the year parties. Also, don't forget to get my beautiful palette, eyeshadow palette. Don't forget to get this too. I can give you a good price if you buy as a combo. And now I'm going to go over there. I'm gonna be posting this video as is without the eyeshadows because I have to run very fast. So I have a lot of things to do and I have to be in the library because I'm finished 2 books and a project from college. And I already graduated, but I need to turn in the project because, as you know, last year my mom passed away and I can't function last year properly, so I delayed the end of the project. So I'm gonna turn in that project now. So I'm done with college, but I have to turn the project now. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channels, and this afternoon when I come back, I will be posting later on the review from Jane Charles beautiful palette. So I want just to show you that I have that and I need to play with this. So I'm gonna be posting that video later on. Bye, have a great day and awesome week for the first week of October. I still behind August. No, October. Have a great October fall month, very successful. And what else I want to say? I will be decorating my home for probably fall decoration, not totally Halloween, but fall Christmas. I like to start doing that every year by October so I can enjoy my Christmas decoration. So it's gonna be combined fall, which is like orange brown colors, plus the Thanksgiving Christmas decoration that I wanna be doing, and I will be posting that video way later, after maybe the last week of October or beginning November. So I have to say all this ahead because I'm very busy right now and I don't know when I will be posting more videos because has been really busy. But I'm so proud of me. I'm very happy. This ending year has been amazing and I'm very happy with my new palette, and it's coming lipsticks too. So my cosmetic business is start growing up, and I will be also making the sales through the internet. So you will have a website so you can buy that thing through the internet. So that's all for now. Now, yes, I have to go running out. Thumbs up. I'm gonna do my makeup, but I'm gonna be posting that video later. So thank you for watching. Remember, subscribe, be part of this. Ciao.